So once we cleaned all the lip, I merged it. Now I'm gonna create the fullness of the lip. It's totally up to you. Again, I keep saying the way we do lip colors, it's totally different. Now I'm gonna use another lipstick by MAC. This is Cosmo. And do you see I'm staying in the same tone? You don't jump from different tones. So now I'm gonna create the fullness. So when we fill the lip, we go from inside to out, okay? Just create more fullness. I already have a full lip, but girls who wanted like a fuller lip, this is a way without overlining. I did this. And you must be asking why I'm mixing two different colors. That creates depth in your lip. Now the main part that most people like, okay, how do I already have a lips that are fuller, but my girls who don't have that, don't worry about that, I got you covered. So now I'm gonna take a nude lip color, very nude. And again, I have said that many times, you don't have to get these lip colors. This is another Yves Saint Laurent lipstick, and I'm gonna fill it in the middle. And it stays in the middle, okay? Not all over. Now we're going to create the magic that most people don't do it, and that is going to change the entire concept of lip, how to make it more fuller. So what I'm going to do, whatever concealer I have applied or foundation, it's totally up to you. I've said that a million times. So I take this, any concealer, and I use it very less, because less is more. So, and I take a brush, probably take like a flat brush, and we're going to clean. And that is the reason the lip look more fuller, and you can see the shape. You see that? Now once you've done this lip color, now we're going to set it. Any translucent powder will work. I'm just using the one I have. This is the Fit Me one. And you set. Creams always need to be set, remember that. This also helps in, you know, when lipstick bleeds, this helps you, the lipstick not to bleed. looks very, very fresh, very juicy, and you have this fullness in your lip without the overlining process. Let me show you again. I hope you like it.